Top paying remote jobs in 2021. The advantages of operating remotely are incomparable. Flexibility, control, and sometimes less time on the clock translate into remote jobs. Not all remote jobs, however, are generated equally. It can be hard to find remote, high-paying work, especially if you're just getting started. You've come to the right location if you're interested in working remotely and want to search high-paying online jobs. Here are the top 5 paying at home jobs in 2021. Number 1. Senior iOS Developer. Tech is where it's at when it comes to a high-paying remote occupation. You're not going to have any trouble getting a career if you have marketable tech skills. One of the tech world's highest paid remote job is that of a senior iOS engineer. As demonstrated by FlexJobs Income, senior iOS developers will earn anything from $130,000 to $160,000 a year. More than ever, senior iOS developers are in demand today. You will face no lack of jobs if you know how to build applications for iOS coming in from companies all over the world. The best thing is that many companies are trying to recruit a remote employee to come in on a per-project basis to create iOS applications, giving you the independence and flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. If you have a considerable amount of experience, feel free to charge all of your customers top dollar, particularly if you are more experienced and highly educated. Number 2. Freelance writer. Although it is true that as a freelance writer you may struggle, it is also true that as a freelance writer, it is possible for you to make 6 figures. As a freelance writer, if you want to do it, you're going to have to be wise about how you market yourself, the niche you work in, where you find work, and how your services are priced. Having a good and knowledgeable online presence is the first step to building a profitable freelance writing career. A safer choice could be to search out individual buyers in your niche and network if you are just starting out and searching for high-paying jobs. If you're a skilled and experienced writer, excellent at leveraging search engines, and you work in a common niche, then price your services accordingly. You can find there are many clients able to develop and continue partnerships with a competent, skilled freelancer, as with any high-paying remote jobs, and pay the rates you request. Number 3. Project manager. It doesn't matter what the industry is or where the business is located, great project managers are needed for every business. With recent improvements in project management technology, working remotely as a project manager is now easier than ever. You can make excellent money working as a project manager with a high need for remote project managers and outstanding project management technology. If you are already organized, good at understanding and managing information, and excellent at moving a project from start to finish, then it may be a good fit for you to work as a project manager. What you need is the ability to take over workflows, delegate tasks, permissions, task management, prioritization, etc. Then you can choose from hundreds of applications for project management to help you easily get the job done. Especially if you are working with a team of remote staff, working remotely as a project manager makes sense. Number 4. DevOps engineer. A lot of developers and IT workers are out there. So what about the person responsible for bridging the gap? If you know that through web and app infrastructure you would be good at keeping the digital presence of a company together and creating new tools to improve workplace efficiency, then working as a DevOps engineer could be the perfect job for you. When it comes to optimizing the efficiency of the systems of your business or customer, DevOps engineers have an important task. On the machine, 100% of this task is completed, making it the ideal job for a remote worker with crazy DevOps talent. DevOps engineers have their work cut out for them, as in most remote tech workers. Number 5. User experience researcher. Do you have outstanding expertise for research? Are you up to date on all the new developments in the field of market research? Do you have the ability to figure out what consumers want? If you know how to design a strategy to drive consumers efficiently into the marketing funnel, then it could be the right fit for you to serve as a user experience researcher. It's still one of the market's top earning remote jobs. Researchers of customer interface, as sourced from FlexJobs, will make between $100,000 and $120,000 a year. Researchers of consumer experience will work with consumers to evaluate their existing lead generation strategies, websites, sale procedures, and more. Conduct analysis and then make recommendations on how to improve customer loyalty and ROI. There is no lack of consultancy jobs if this seems like something that you will be good at. If you liked this video and want to see more similar content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!